Done. So what is AI? Okay, and AI for business. Let's try to open some OneNote. AI is the trending word. Sorry, the trending term, right? Artificial intelligence is the trending term in the throughout the world. Okay, if you take some 10 years back, there is not that much people are not heard about this. Okay, but still some people, some part of some countries, they heard about artificial intelligence. Lot of researchers are doing. Lot of researchers are doing. But now everybody talking about AI and a lot of colleges and a lot of institutes, and they included AI into their subjects. Okay, like this, so many changes are happening throughout the world. So, and one of the famous scientists, Andrew Ng, one of the famous scientists, Andrew Ng, he told that one statement, right? One statement regarding AI is the new electricity. AI is the new electricity to this world. Electricity to this world. You know about the electricity, right? So how the electricity is changed our lives. Okay, electricity, how it changed the human life. Everybody knows. After machinery came, a lot of jobs came, so many things are happened. Some industrial revolution started. Okay, industry, some manufacturing work started. So many things, so many things. After electricity came, there are a lot of changes in the human life. Same thing now. Now AI is the new electricity to this world. Now AI is changing the world like this. How electricity changes the world, same like way AI is changing the world. Okay, that is the point. Then comes to our business. Okay, if we're regarding the business, okay, how this AI is going to be help? How this AI is going to be help? Okay, so first of all, simply what is AI? Simply what is AI? In simple terms, what is AI? Okay, AI is nothing but we have to some mission or computer application. It can be anything. It can be some application. Okay, it can be a computer. It can be a mission. Okay, it can be anything. It can be application means what? Now I am using the OneNote application. Okay, and we are connected through some Zoom, right? These are some applications, and I have some different applications. Okay, some calculator or Oracle VisualBox, Visual Studio, ideally, so many things are there. There are some applications. Okay, some desktop applications are there, and some web applications must be there. Okay, web application means what? Through web we will connect, right? Web applications where we go, some meetings, google.com, and I can connect Gmail, web application like this. You can take anything and computers and machines, all these things. Okay. So making these things, making this by adding some human intelligence, by adding some human intelligence for these missions, adding some human intelligence, simply, that's it. Adding some human intelligence to these missions. So if you add some human intelligence, what will happen? They will take, they will ready to perform some operations. They will ready to do some operations on board. They will ready to perform some operations by adding human intelligence. Human means what? We are going to add some intelligence to these applications, to these computers, to these missions. Then some product will be generating. So what kind of product that is? That is nothing but the chat GPT. Okay, that is nothing but some, apart from chat GPT, there's so many things are there, right? Some popular that the Netflix recommendation engine, and some example we can say some Amazon, Flipkart, these things, some e-commerce platforms. In these e-commerce platforms also some recommendations is going to be happen. Some Siri, right? Siri and Google Assistants. So many things. These are all examples of this AI only. Okay. What are some popular examples? Siri, Alexa, and some, yeah, we know some chat GPT. Everybody know about the chat GPT now. See, still some self-driving cars. So many. Okay. So many these things are evolving. Okay. Okay, fine. These are some examples. And I told some Netflix also. Netflix is some streaming platform actually. Netflix is what? Streaming platform. But this streaming platform using AI. How they are using AI? Some recommendations. Okay, to see simple understand, whenever you are going to see some action related movies, then automatically some action related movies, they are going to be give some recommendations, right? That is what some recommendations. Okay, what is the user? You must have some user ID, right? So for that, you 101 user, 101 user is seeing lot of action related movie. Then what we have to do? We have to recommend some action related content to that user. Then what will happen? He will invest more time on top of those streaming platform, Netflix. If he investing more time means what? He will subscribe more. He will subscribe to, so that action movies also he will subscribe. If he is going to be subscribed for action movies also means what? They will get the money. That is what business. That's it. Okay. Everybody doing this thing only. Everybody is doing some business only. Okay. We can take Siri, Alexa also. So what is the Siri, Alexa? We are buying. Okay. Yeah. We are keeping some money. We are buying something. And what they are doing, how they are behaving. Whenever we talk something, okay, they are understanding our languages, right? So whatever that we talk, they are understanding that. Regarding that, they are giving some the results. And chat GPT also similar kind of things, right? So whatever you enter regarding that information, we are getting some information. Okay. Something, some information that we are getting. All these things are some examples of this AI. So what they will get this purely business. Okay. This is purely business only. Okay. Whatever. So we have to pay some money, we have to buy. Pay some money, buy. But ChatGPT. So what ChatGPT, what we are doing? Some free versions also there. We have to pay something also, right? Some self-driving cars. So what is self-driving cars? Automatically, they're going to be drive. Okay, these are also some artificial intelligence they are going to use. There are some examples. Let's go to the next session, next PPT. Okay, simply why AI matters is saves time. It saves a lot of time. Okay, it boosts the revenues. It going to cut the cost. 80% of business using AI report higher efficiency. A small e-commerce store increases sales by 15% with AI product recommendations. See, a small e-commerce store increasing sales by 15%. Okay, their sales increasing by product recommendations. That is what I told. Okay, product recommendation. How they are giving some recommendations? Okay, let's try to go to the Amazon. I'm going to the Amazon. Okay, I am. Let's see. I'm seeing some kids related toys. Kids related toys I'm seeing. Okay, after seeing what happened, I did not book it. I did not added anything into the cart. I just saw that. I just saw some toys. Okay, some tie 1, tie 2, tie 3, different kind of toys I just saw. After seeing what I told, I just leave them. I just closed my application. Closed my Amazon application. Okay. Then within the few minutes, I will get some recommendations. Within the few minutes, I will get some recommendation. What? This toy price decreased or something like similar to that toy. Whatever that you see, some toy. Okay, similar to the second toy. Please check it. Like that, we will get some notifications. Did you observe that? Okay. Did you observe those notifications? So what they are doing? They are giving some recommendations. So recommendations is nothing but they are collecting the data of users. Okay, let's imagine this user is some 101 user. This 101, some user ID. Okay, we have some user ID and password, right? Let's imagine that the user ID is some 101. This user is, he sees some tie 1, tie 2, tie 3. Okay, okay. So automatically you 101 user is 1, 2, 3. Like these 3 ties is going to be registered. Then automatically this data going to be sent to backend to one machine learning model. Okay, machine learning models. Okay, something, okay. What is machine learning? All these are all comes under AI. Okay, let's imagine some artificial intelligence model. Okay, then this artificial intelligence model is going to be do some calculations, and it automatically sends some notifications. Okay, that you just see some toys. Then regarding the toys, I'm recommending some other toys. Please try to check these things. They're giving because of this AI. Okay, how they are doing these recommendations? Because of the AI only, they are doing these recommendations. And they're doing the recommendation and they are increasing their sales. Maybe that user is not satisfied with this 1, 2, 3, but he is satisfied with the whatever they recommended. Some similar toy to second type, some similar kind of toys they recommended. Then the user going to see, yes, okay, this is toy, this is what I want. Then the user is going to be adding it to the cart and he is going to be booking that. Then what will happen? That is what? Some sales, right? They did some sales simply. That is what? Increasing their business. How they done? By artificial intelligence, by applying the artificial intelligence. Okay, like that, everyone. Okay, like that, not only Amazon, Flipkart, and popular e-commerce platforms. Okay, you can take anything. Okay, you can take now. Everybody is in focus into to improve their business. Everybody. We take some 10 by 10. Okay, we take some simply some 20 by 20. Some the jewelry shop is there. 20 by 20 jewelry shop is there. How you want to improve his business? Okay, how you want to improve their business? Then AI is there. Okay, by using AI, what are the things that we can do? Okay, by using AI, what are the things that you can do? And some retail market is there. Some retail shop is there. Okay. So by retail shop is having, okay, they are selling some retail products. Then what they want to do? They want to implement AI. They want to implement AI on top of their retail shops. And what are the things they are having? They're having. And some people is having some tourist company. Let's imagine some tourist company, right? Some tourist people some will come, and there is some tourist. Let's imagine some it's kind of some yatra.com, something is there, right? Yatra. So what will happen? Will go there and we will plan some hotels already. Everything is going to automatically book, right? We will plan the destination where we have to go, some tourist company, let's imagine. So there is having, so they want to improve their sales. They want to improve their business. How? Okay, there are a number of ways. How the tourist company will do. There are a number of ways. For a number of ways, at the same time, AI also is there. Yes, they can take some help of AI. Okay, by taking the help of AI, they can increase their sales. How the Amazon and Flipkart, those e-commerce platforms increasing their sales. Just now I told. Similarly, whatever the platform it is. Okay, whatever not platform. Whatever the industry it is. It can be tourist industry. It can be some the retail industry or some e-commerce platforms. Okay, it can be some normal shops, whatever it is, some jewelry shop or some business, whatever it is. Anybody, AI is there. Okay, for them, by using this AI, they will start and improving their sales. That's it, simply. Okay, if we take this jewelry shop also implements some recommendation engine. On whom? Okay, let's imagine this recommendation engine. Let's try to think. People are having every year. Okay, every year people are buying. Some customers, all the customers from past 2 years. Past 2 years, he is having some customer details. Customers details he is having. So what he can do? 2 years customer data is there. Okay, total who are buying the gold. Buying gold. People are buying gold. He is having. So he must understand some patterns. Some pattern. What is the meaning of pattern here? Pattern is nothing but maybe some people will be there. They are going to be buying at some particular time. Let's imagine that people are buying at some particular the festival seasons. Festival seasons, some particular students. So some particular things. Okay. So some the particular of people. Okay, let's imagine. Let's total some 2,000 people are buyed. Okay, within the 2 years, some 2,000 people buy the gold. Okay, na? Okay, right. Then in the 2,000, some particularly some 1,000 people. These 1,000 people are buying regularly. Like regularly means within that 1 year, every festival they are buying some gold. Just imagine. Okay, every festival they are buying some gold. Like this, some pattern. These are some pattern. Okay, so what pattern? These people are going to buy some any occasions or some festivals will come means these 1,000 people are ready to buy the gold. That is what some information that I'm having by taking this 2 years of data. Okay, that how this is some question will arise. How I find that those 1,000 people are like that. That is what some tools I'm using. Okay, that is what some tools, some AI tools I'm using. Okay, maybe I'm having some Excel data I'm having. The Excel, I'm having all the data. In the Excel also, I can apply AI, right? On top of Excel also, I can apply some artificial intelligence. Then I can check that. Okay. Or some Power BI is there. On top of Power BI also, some AI is there. I can apply like this, so on. Some data analysis, we can say some analysis. We can use any tools and we can do some analysis of this like this. Then, so what I can do? So further, particularly for that 1,000 people, I can give some offers. Particularly for the 1,000 people, I can give some offers in the third year. Third year, I'm giving some offer. Then what will happen if I give some offer means definitely these people are going to buy. And again, I will give some offer means what they will do, they will buy more. Like that. Let's imagine that is my decision. Are you getting? That is the decision of the company. They taken some decisions. Okay, this is some analysis that we done by using AI. Then what we have to do? We have to improve our sales. Maybe in the 1,000 people are definitely buying. Let's imagine remaining 1,000 people we can give some recommendations, right? Let's imagine for remaining people are not buying occasionally. Then try to give some offer to those remaining people. Okay, you can take like that also. Okay, two ways it is apply. Okay, in the two ways we can apply. We will give some offers to regularly buying people, or those remaining 1,000 people are not buying. They are buying in very rarely. Okay, rarely they are buying. Then what we can do? Okay, we have to make them to buy. Then what we can do? We have to give some specialized offer to them, 1,000 people. Then we have to send some recommendations particularly to them. What are the recommendations? Maybe those are each people. Let's imagine the 1,000, some 201, some user is there. 202 user is there. Let's imagine this 201 people is buying from past 2 years. He is buying. He is having some pattern of buying some kids related jewelry, kids related ring, kids related some earrings, kids related things he is buying. Some 102, this person is having some pattern of buying some that, that some other pattern. 203 he having some other pattern. Let's imagine like this. Then what we can do? Okay, this 201 is having some kids related pattern. Then try to give some kids related offer to this 201. What kind of thing that we can do? Maybe in this 1,000 people, there are so many other people also there. They also might follow this kids related pattern, right? Maybe some other 204 user is there. He is also interested. He is also buying some kids related products. Okay, maybe 210 user is there. He is also interested to buy some kids related products. Then what we have to do? We have to group these people. That means 201 one side, 204 one side, 210 one side. We are grouping these three people. And for these three people, we will give some recommendations regarding some kids related. That's it. Simple. Okay. Maybe some this 202, 203, 202, 203, and 215 are similar to some other pattern. So for these people, I will give some other recommendations. Like this, I can do. Like this is what actually happening. Okay. This is what exactly happening for YouTube also. Okay, YouTube also doing same thing, right? So we are seeing some video, food related video means they are giving some recommendations to food related content, right? Okay. Don't think that AI means only recommendations. Okay. I'm just telling that for our easy understanding. I'm just telling that. Okay. Some recommendation related things. There are so many things are there. Okay. Fine. So how business use AI to grow? Marketing and sales department, operations departments, decision makings, they're doing. So try to see AI personalized ads, emails, boosted emails, rated 20% retailers, chatbots handle customer inquiries, bakery saved 5 hours a weekly with the Tello chatbots. So try to see here, chatbot handled customer inquiries. Okay. If you go anywhere, okay, we need some at the starting. So what happened is everybody is implementing some chatbots. Everybody implementing some chat. What is the meaning of chatbots? Okay. In the previous, there are some customer relationship because business means what? Business means they must have some customer relationship be very good. Otherwise, people are not ready to, to continue their relationship with these business partners, right? Definitely, customer relationship is a very, 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 very important one nowadays. Okay, that's why to retain their customers, what they are doing, they have to retain their customer, they have to maintain some good relation with the customer. Then only their business will be going to be, will be have some growth. Okay, to maintain good relationship with the customers, what the business people are doing is they are building some chatbots. Okay, what is the meaning of chatbots? Chatbots are nothing but automatically whatever that your problems. Okay, the chatbots is automatically they will interact with us. Okay, let's imagine some. You can take any business related. Okay, you can take anything. Okay, you can take any platform. Okay, some. Okay, let's take some business bank means maybe something finance department will come. That you can be easily understand. Okay, let's imagine that you are using some telecom providers, right? There are also some business. Okay, some telecom providers are there doing. Okay, I mean for our easy understanding, I told this chatbot. Otherwise, we can implement this to anybody only. Okay, you can include this to anybody. Some the gold jewelry shop you can include, or some retail shop you can implement, or you can implement this to some the sales kind of shops. You can implement into some e-commerce platforms. Okay, let's take some e-commerce platforms. Okay, if you take the e-commerce platforms, what they will happen? The user is going to be buying some products, right? Some product is going to be buying. So what will happen? Sometimes the delivery might be happen delay. So what will happen? Some automatically e-commerce platform if you open means some chatbots will open. Automatically some chatbots will happen. So what they're doing automatically they're building some chatbots and they integrated those chatbots into their applications. Okay, into the Amazon application, they integrated these chatbots. Then whenever you enter into some live conversation, these chatbots will open. Hi, welcome. So what you need for? So then you will enter something. I'm having issues with the order related issues. Then automatically it is going to show these are your orders. These are your orders. So in this which order you are having some issues. Then you can choose the recent order. Then it is automatically choosing that order. Some 112079 order is chosen. So what is the issue with this order? Then you will enter something. It did not delivered at all, but it shows me in my application delivered. That is my issue. Then we have to enter. Then it automatically what it is doing, oh, okay. The issue is we are having, they will give some note, we noted. And regarding that, our team is going to be rectify this something, some message will come, right? Something. This is what happened actually. This is regarding some e-commerce platform. Okay, you can take this to any department. You can take this to some sales kind of business. You can take some retail kind of business. You can take some gold jewelry kind of business. You can take some other bank related applications. You can take anything. Okay. These chatbots are very, 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 very popular now. Okay. Everybody is building some chatbots because they want to interact with the customers and they want to retain their customers. Now, that user will get some the satisfaction, right? What satisfaction he will get it? Okay, within the few seconds, he interacted with those business people. But here, who interacted? Here, the interacted is the chatbot. not a man or woman. The backend is not a human. It is a human-made chatbot. Human-made chatbot is interacted. Now, finally, this message is delivered to those backend Amazon team. Then that backend Amazon team is going to be take care and they will solve the issue. That's it, right? This is what happening. Okay, this is what happening. And this is what that every business kind of people, I mean, business kind of things is implementing chatbots on their own. Okay, for that also, there are automatically some chatbots are there. Sorry, there is some the Tido chatbots. Okay, so what they are doing, they're automatically they are going to be built. Okay, if you go to the Tido chatbots, I can try to show those things also. Tido AI. See, live chat and chatbot solution. Sign up for free. Try our chatbot and live chat for free and automate your communication. Okay, try to open this. Try to go here. Resolve customer request instantly with the AI customer service. Okay, easily scale your support. Automate 64% of conversation across chat, emails, and social with Lyra AI agent in two language. Don't think of this thing. Don't think about this line. This is for some back-end work. Okay, this is some back-end work they done. Okay, fine. What we need for our business, we need something. We need some chatbot kind of thing. Then there is something called TIDDO AI. Okay, TIDDO AI is ready to provide their chatbot kind of relationships. Okay, how much pricing? Start for free. No credit card is required. Then we have to enter our email, password, something. And otherwise, we can log in through Facebook also. Okay. Then you can see. Then we can check it, what happened, what actually. Okay. And there are some the partners also there. Partner programs. So what the solution they're giving? Some customer services, marketing, sales, e-commerce platforms. I'm just clicking e-commerce platform. See, improve your buying experience with the live chat. Provide immediate answers to customer questions for smoother shopping experiences. Okay, answer customer questions without human intervention. A Lyro AI agent replies to customers on your website and social media using only your support content. Let's imagine you are having some platform. Okay, let's imagine that you are having some business, some tourist business, some gold business, or something. It can be anything. Okay, it can be any business that you're having. And you want some customer related, some support, some chatbot kind of thing that you need. Then what is the solution for you? There is two things. One is you have to hire, you have to go to any some company, or okay, you have to go to any software company, you have to tell your thing. Okay, something I need something like this, you have to tell. And they will build some backend. Whatever you need regarding your requirement, they are going to build something. And second solution is there are some predefined things are there. These are already they developed some chatbot kind of things. Then what is the use of this? Then we can easily, we are going to use these things. Okay, no need to go to the companies. Okay, now automatically some used. Okay, automatically these applications are ready. So whatever we need, we just try to log in with them and we will try to go with the pricings or the pricing list. Okay, see, step one, choose the number of conversation with a human agent. How many the conversation that you will do? Starter plan, growth plan, plus plan, premium plan. Okay, some dollars. So depending upon our business, we are going to choose these plans. Okay, we are going to choose this plan. Then we will start for free. Then automatically the next thing will happen. That's it. Okay, this is how the business is going to be get going. Okay, that is what here written. A bakery saved 5 hours weekly with the Tido chatbot and some marketing and sales department. By doing this, what we will take the decision very easily. Okay, simple ways to start using AI. Identify the where we need. Start with the small. Run as you go. Measure the impact. Okay, as a new. Okay, let's imagine that you are already having a lot of business, but you are new to the AI. Then what we can do? We have to start slowly because We don't know much about this AI fully. Then what we have to do, the solution is start these things slowly, slowly, slowly. What are some free tools are there? Different free tools should be there, right? We have to try to understand those free tools, how this free tools is going to be work. Let's try to go to the Canva. How this Canva is useful for our business. Try to see Canva, visual suit for everyone. Okay, try to click it. How this Canva is going to be work. Canva, create uncharted. See, upgrade to. So if you want some upgradation, you have to go for Canva. So what is this Canva? What we can do? Create a design. Okay, I want to design one thing. Okay, what you want to design? You want to design some documents, or you want to do some whiteboards, or you want to give some presentations, or you want to give some any social media content, or some videos, some printables, websites, customer sites, something. Whatever you need, you have to check these things. Instagram post, presentation, video, poster. I need some poster. Just click it, some poster. So what kind of poster that you need? It's going to be asked. So what I'm doing, okay, here. So I want some poster regarding what? So I want poster regarding mm, e-commerce presentation, something. See, I just entered e-commerce presentation, then I got something. Okay, something. So try to see. So different kind of things. No, I need some. Just this is the poster, okay? Let's imagine I am having some technical company. So I need to I need to invite the people to attend some webinars. Then some webinar related some webinar on AI. I need. Okay, presentation on AI. Okay. So for that, what kind of some posters are there? Let's see. Different posters are there. Then I can choose the best one, right? I can choose the best one. And if you want to do some changes, I can do some changes. Okay, see here, unlock our best templates. Get this template, unlock our collections. Okay, 100 million premium photos are there. Lot of things are there. Okay, if you want to use, you can go for our upgrade plan or to get a team plan instead. Otherwise, something if you some things are something the free should be there. So try to use those the free kind of things. Okay, here some option should be there. Okay, let's go there. That is the pro version actually. Okay, then some free versions are there. Then some free versions. This is also some pro version, I think. Yeah, upgrade to use this template. Okay, upgrade. If I click upgrade means it's going to be asked. Choose your plan. 1 day, 69. 1 week, 199. Like this, you start with because we are new, right? We are new to this. Then start with the 1 day. Let's imagine you have these kind of works for your business. You want to build. Okay, let's imagine that you are having some gold, whatever. You can any business, right? For any business, there's some portions we need to do. Okay, then start with this. Next, then try to enter these details. Keep this. Okay, start with the slowly. Okay. Otherwise, I need some free kind of things. Actually, this is free also should be there. Let's wait. I'll try to show you some free content also because for everything there is no need to include money. Okay, some free tools also there, free things also there. Okay, we have to create a design. Mm, Presentations. So what we have to present? Presentation. These are some PPTs will come. Okay, some whiteboards with presentation come become like this. See, so many options, so many options. So what we are doing by taking these things, we are saving lot of time. Okay, we are saving lot of times. I want to print something regarding. Okay, I want some custom size. I want to upload something like this. Presentations, documents. I want some one-page document regarding some content. I want to print some invoice. I need some invoices. Then try to go to the invoice. See some changes. What are changes that you can enter your changes here? Okay, some invoice date, client description. Then you can do some edits. Yeah, see some edits. I clicked just edit, then it automatically came here. can try to change here your content. Okay. Here I need my own name, my own company name I need. Then try to change the company name. Okay. AIB Educations. Like this, we can do some changes. Okay. Some address like this. Then automatically these things going to be save it and try to generate these things. These are some what just now I showed this some free content only. Okay. There are some free content. Like this, we can start with the slowly. Okay, some Grammarly also right? Grammarly is automatically whatever that you write, automatically is going to show it's going to correct our English, right? I hope that everybody having some knowledge on the Grammarly. Okay, whenever you enter something, it automatically going to tell some Grammarly is there working correctly or not. Okay, some our grammar is correct or not, is going to keep on checking, keep on checking. That is, start with the slow and try to understand this. Then how these things are helpful for our businesses. There are some other tools. Okay, I will try to show you some other tools. Apart from this, the Canva and these things, this Tildo also table, right? And there is something called I want some PPTs. Okay, let's imagine I need some PPTs. PPTs I want. PPT. Okay, PPT related things. Let's imagine for every business people they need some maybe some PPTs might become. Right. Let's imagine some PPTs they want to do. So for PPTs also, there are a lot of tools are there. Okay. I told in the here within the Canva also we can do some PPT generation is there. Okay. And not I need some particular regarding some PPTs. There are some gamma is there. Gamma AI. Try to go to the gamma AI. Then you can see new from the blank. New from the blank. So whatever you need, you try to click here and going back. I import something. So what you want to import something or new from the blank. Okay, let's try to here. I want to create new. Okay, paste in text, generate. Create a from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. Create with AI. I'm just clicking this. Describe what you want. So what I want here is, I need some PPT. Okay, let's imagine. I need PPT regarding some, let's take some how business is improving through by using technology. Okay, how business is improving by using technology, AI. That is what I'm telling. Okay, there is some prompt. Okay, some prompt I entered. Some presentation unit, some web page, document, social. Some presentation I need. Okay, generate outline. See, something. Okay, so the business department, sorry, in the business field, what are the things there's going to be some customer experience with the AI, streaming supply chain management, transforming marketing, sales and strategies, AI automating HR processes, improving cyber security, data-driven decision making, so many things, so many things. Now I want to generate these things. Generate. See, some content. Yeah. See how much. Very easy, right? No need to, no need to spend a lot of time. Okay, no need to spend a lot of time to build this PPT. All right, simply within the one prompt, just one prompt. Okay, just one prompt I entered, then automatically it created. Automatically it created. See, automatically it created a lot of things. Okay, this is automatically generated, but I want my content. I want my own content means what? How? Yes, our own content also we can do. How we can do? We are going to enter our import a file. Here, I have some import file is there, right? Import file means what? We are going to upload our file. Upload a file. Okay. Upload file means we have to give our content. We have to store it into any Word document. Any Word document, we have to enter our documents, whatever that we want. We have to store those things. After storing that, we have to open this. Then automatically, regarding that content, it is going to be created. That's it. Okay, let's go to the big data. Sorry. My content means here I have to go to the documents. The documents. See, these are all my documents. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose some anything. Okay. These are some my content. Again, some notes should be there. I will take any notes regarding data. Big data. You need to three notes. Okay. There is some notes. Okay. This is the notes created by me. Okay. I just open. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Yeah. Yeah. So that is what. Okay. Big data. I just added here. So what I did, I opened just gamma. After that, what happened? I just added some file. Okay. I added some file. How I added? Through import URL. Okay. Through C. And back I did create with AI. Okay. Create with AI. Import. Paste in text. I just click paste in text means you have to enter our. Okay. We have to enter our content. Okay. Our content means what? We can enter whatever it is. Okay. Okay. AI is the new electricity to this generation. Like this, I'm entering some of my own content. Okay. ML and DL are part of AI. Okay. AI business is growing very speed with AI. After coming AI, business is going like this. My own content also I can enter. Okay. Then I can enter some continue. Then what will happen? Regarding my own content, some PPT is going to be generated. Okay. Then just for your understanding, I'm showing. And no, I need some generate. Generate means I showed something. I click generate. Then whatever that you need, you just enter something. Okay. That is one thing. And back again. Or I need some import file. I'm just clicking here. So import file from where? So is a file from drive or URL. So I'm clicking as a upload a file. Just clicking. So whatever I need, I'm choosing this. Okay. Something, some big data, some nodes is there. I'm just clicking this big data unity nodes. This is created by me. Okay. I created some nodes on big data topics. Then I just opened that and just open. Then that file is going to be uploaded here. Now I'm going to give some content. Then what? This is my content. This is my content. Okay. Now I need this content into 8 cards. 8 cards means total 8 PPTs. 8 PPTs will come. No, I need some 7 cards, 5 cards, 4 cards. So like this, you can decrease this also. 2 cards. Within the 2 cards, I need some 3 cards, 4 cards. Like this also we can do. Like this. Okay. Continue with the 40. Continue. Then what will happen? It's going to ask that what kind of theme that you need. We are going to choose what theme that we need. Okay, what kind of theme that we need. I'm choosing this. Okay, I'm choosing this theme. Okay, or this theme. Like this, I choose something. Then I just click the generate. This is the content of my content is going to be generated through a PPT. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now see, this is the content. All PPTs with PPTs generated. Okay, this is my data. My data generated as a PPT. Okay, I hope you got some idea, right? These are all to improve the businesses, right? So no need to spend a lot of time on these kind of generations, right? No need to spend some, no need to hire the people for PPTs because in the previous, there is no, in the previously, people has to do their own PPT generation, but now there is no need to invest a lot of time on top of that. So as a you, we can easily, we can generate this kind of PPTs very easily. Okay. And there is something called some other tool. There is something called Jasper AI, JSPR.ai. So what is going to tell? Marketing. Okay, it is regarding some marketing. So elevate your team, your brand, and your impact with AI that built for marketing. That means what? Okay, for marketing people, they are going to build some the platform. Okay. So what solution they will give? Try to go to the platform. So many things are there. Marketing AI toolkit, brand wise, style guide, visual guidelines, Jasper chart. Here also some chart box is there. See, Jasper chart, I click it. Some chart assistant. See, automatically some chart assistant will come. I showed some previously, I showed some other thing, right? Some the TDD something I told. The Jasper also, they're having some, they build some chartboard kind of toolkit they build. Then we can use this. Start free trial. Okay. Or get a demo like this. We will start there. Okay, like this, so many tools. So solution, product marketing, content marketing, performance marketing, PR communication, brand marketing, field and event marketing, or some technology related, e-commerce related, insurance related, whatever your the problem is. I mean, whatever your industry is. Just imagine I'm going with the e-commerce and retail industry. Okay, in the e-commerce and retail industry, what kind of things I can do? Try to see here. Jasper purpose is built AI helps in retail marketing, launch better, more personalized campaigns faster. By accelerating campaign creation, reducing creative bottlenecks, Jasper helps brands like Ultra, Anthropage, and Wayfair increase marketing velocity and impact. What is the meaning? Jasper for retail and e-commerce marketing team. Okay, by using these tools on top of this, okay, by using this Jasper tools on top of e-commerce sites. So what we will build, we can build a lot of some automatic solutions. Try to see here, plan, create, launch, and scale beautiful campaigns across regions, formats, and channels. Okay, that means I'm having some market. Okay, let's imagine I'm having some, let's try to think about some fashion technology. Okay, fashion technology. I'm making some the cloths regarding some kids related cloths, some the muslin cloths. Okay, I hope you aware about some the cloths regarding some the muslin, right? Muslin. It's newborns will be there, right? Newborn babies. For newborn babies, I'm making some newborn babies. I'm making some cloth. The cloth which is the quality of the muslin cloth. Muslin cloth. That is very, very smooth. Not muslin cloth is nothing but very, very smooth cloth. Okay. Very, very smooth cloth. That is what I'm making. So I need to promote my I need to promote my cloth. I need to promote my product. Right? I need to this muslin cloth I'm making in somewhere in place. I kept into my business. I started my business. I'm making this. But what I need to know, I need to tell to this world. I need to tell to this world I am making this muslin cloth with some lowest price. Then I have to give some lot of offers. I have to give some lowest price, something. I want to, it is having a lot of advantages. So on things that I have to tell, right? whatever that I am going, I want to tell. To whom I have to tell? To this world I have to tell. Then only I can get some offers. I can get some contacts. Right. So I am just doing business within my area means maybe my business is limited to within my area only. But I need to do a lot of promotions and marketing. Then people will have to know about my product. Then my people are going to be know about my product means they are ready to buy my products. Then they will use my products. Then they will feel happy means what will happen? They will again try to book there and then my business is growing. Right? That's it. Simply. This is the thing. So for them, they want to improve. They want to know this world that they are making these products. How to know? This Jasper is going to make. Plan, create, launch, scale beautiful campaign across regions, formats and different channels. We can make the campaigns. Okay. We are doing something, having some retail or some products that we are having like this, we are going to tell. Okay, all these things are all pre-built. Okay, everything is pre-built. We are going to use these tools for the work purposes. That's it. Okay, and there is something called Otero AI, something OTT. Yeah, Otero AI. There is something called Otero. This is also for business kind of people. This is also very the popular tool. Okay, popular business tool that we are going to use. What is it is AI meeting agent. What is meeting of meeting agent? Never take meeting notes again. Get transcripts, automated summaries, action items, and chat with other voter to get answers from your meetings. That means what? Get automated meeting notes. Okay, and summaries with the action item using other. So now we just connected, right? So we connected through some Zoom. But I need whatever that we discuss now. I told some voices, right? So we are discussing with some voice. Okay. Through some voice, we are connected. I'm talking some English. Something you are going to listen something. So after this meeting is going to be end, I want to generate my voice too as a notes. Okay. Are you getting? I want to generate my voice, whatever that I discuss now. I want to generate as a notes. Then that might be helpful for some anybody. Then I can use this voter.ai. Okay, like this purposes. Okay, then we can go for this tools. Then we are going to use these tools. What are the solutions for business people? They are giving not only that, they're useful for the many industries, right? For education, it's going to help the students and faculties definitely. For education purpose, it is very helpful. Then for the sales kind of industry. Okay, sales kind of industry, how it is going to be help. For education, how it is going to be help, try to see. For sales also, we can see. For sales. Not only that, okay, some insights also they are going to be tell. Okay, how much sales are happening. Okay, all these things. Let's go to the lecturer notes. Some notes will come. Save time with automated lecturer notes. Connect Outer to Google, Microsoft Calendar. Automatically join record your meetings on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet. Follow along live on the web or something. Okay, you can take anywhere. You can take Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. Automated lecture notes is going to be generated. Okay, get connected with the automated slides also. Slides also will come. Okay, like this. These are all very helpful for increasing the businesses. Okay, that's it all. Okay, they are like this. There are so many tools are there. Okay, by using these tools, we are making our work easily. Okay, we are making our works very easy. Okay. So is this common questions about AI is what will come is I shown some different tools. Is these tools are very expensive means as a new, yeah, some $15, $10 like that they would take. But still we have some free versions, right? So try to go for some free versions. Try to check that is that the tools are free versions are available or not. Try to check once. Okay, after checking that, is that helpful for your business or not? Try to check those things. Then you can use those tools. That's it. Okay, you can try to use those tools. So you need, let's imagine that you are having some real estate content. Okay, so real estate related some AI tools. Is there any real estate tools are there or not? Try to check. Let's imagine that you are doing some real estate business. Okay, some real estate kind of tools are there or not? Try to check it. there is something that some Colao.ai. So I try to check this Colao AI. What is this Colao AI? Okay, try to think about this. Some house canary, something is there. House canary is a AI for realtors and property investors, something. Okay, like this. So different tools are there. Try to know about these tools. Is any free versions are there or not? If any free versions are there, means try to use those tools and try to understand that. Then if it is useful for your business, means try to integrate into your business. That's it. This is what people are doing. Okay. Some tourist related. Some uses any tourism related AI tools are there or not. Okay. Tourism automatically some customer chatbots will come. Yeah. There are some automatic chatbots will come. Some Hopper AI, GPT chat, something, fraud detection, so many things will become. Okay. In this, some Hopper. What is Hopper? Hopper is AI powered travel app that predicts flight, hotel prices, something. Okay, like this. So for every whatever it is, okay, for you now, industry is evolving something. Okay, that is what that famous scientist I told you that word, right? AI is the new electricity. Okay, AI is new electricity to this generation. This is the final one. Okay, it can be business, it can be anything. It can be business, it can be some other any platform, not only business. Okay, not only business, can be any platform. It can be any platform. AI is people, everybody is AI using. Okay, some government organization is using, some private companies are using, some business people are using. Okay, some already some the tech giants, some Google, Facebook, everybody is using. Some e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Flipkart are using, and Alibaba, everybody is using, and so many people are everybody using. So try to understand what is your business requirement. So for regarding that, automatically tools should be there. Try to use those tools. That's it, yeah. So thank you. Is there any questions? Means try to, you can tell me. Can't hear you. Hello. Is there any questions? Questions regarding means you can please try to ask me. Is there any questions? Means you can ask me. Hello, am I audible? Audible, right? Priyanta and Adlina. Is there any questions regarding the today's session? You can please ask me. Noor, Adlina, and Priyanta. No, okay. Yeah, fine, Adlina. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yeah.